Hello guys, as you know, Kintsugi secured parachain on Kusama, and soon will be new auction on the Polkadot, and Kintsugi ready to go live here. But one of the most crucial part it will be vault operators. The vault is the heart of Kintsugi and Interlay, and today I want you to show how to set up vault on your local or remote machine. So I will use DigitalOcean for create new virtual private server, and we will use this guide. I will attach it in to this video. So you can see prerequisites with minimal requirements, and this is 2 GB of RAM and 50 GB of free disk space. I will use latest Ubuntu versions and a bit higher requirements for gigabyte and 50 GB SSD. So just choose here type of authentication. I use my SSH case, and then we should create a Droplet. While Droplet is preparing, I also tell you which type of installation I will use today. I choose Docker installation for my video. This is one of the most quick method. As you can see, Droplet is ready. So I need to copy my IP, and I will use putty to login. I need to choose my SSH. Okay. Okay, and we will login as root. So next we will copy this command. But before this, as we use Docker, we need to install Docker instance. I will use this Docker setup docs from official website. And I attach this manual to this video at the description. Okay, this is ready. Now we install this. Okay, next steps is add Docker official GPGK. And I will use this command to install latest stable repository. Next, we should install Docker engine. And we can check the latest Docker version in our repository. So if you want to check if we installed all correctly, we just need to run this command. This is hello world application. And as we see hello from Docker, that means that all installed properly and we can use Docker for our installation. So I will create this folder. Next step to get this compose file for Docker. So on this stage you need a Polkadot account which will be linked to your vault, and I prepared already the demo key, and I will use this key. But you should know that you should keep your key in safe and do not disclose it. This is very important, guys. So I will copy this key and should create key file JSON. For this, I will use Nano editor. You can use any other editor which you prefer. Okay, I added this file. I added this key to file. Done. I will check it. You see, all right. Also, you can use subkey to generate key automatically, but it will take more time. It needs to install Substrate on your machine. So the next thing which we need to do is start Vault client, and there is several options. If you already have synchronized Bitcoin node, you can run Docker compose up Vault. If you don't have any Bitcoin node synchronized, you should run this command docker composer up. Okay, you see we need to install Docker Composer. And we can try again. You see that there is error here. This is the different version of Docker and version in our Docker Compose file. And to fix this, I only edit my Docker Compose and downgrade version in the config. So I will change this to 3.3. Okay. And try again. Okay, you see now it works, and Bitcoin testnet node started synchronization. This in first time this can take pretty long. It will take about 4 hours, so you just need to wait. So guys, when your Bitcoin node was synced, you will see in the logs such information like this, and you will see that vault created, telemetry updated, and it connected to the Bitcoin core. And the node will be registering and during this setup process it will be done automatically. And then you can see start fetching block and submitting block headers. So you see that it works now. And how to check if your Vault is properly set up, installed, and it works correctly. As you know, there is a bridge application, and there are some sections here, and when your node is installed, there will appear new sections which will be named Vault. To check your Vault information and that is registered, you should choose your wallet from Polkadot.js, and after it connects, you will see here the detailed information about your Vault dashboard, your wallet on which you registered it, and also other statistical information about vaults, about collateralization, about earned fees, about locked collateral dot, and many other. Also, you can deposit collateral to increase it, or withdraw it. Also, here will be information about issue request, redeem request, and replace request. This information will be accessible when some other user will deposit their BTC and in order to get some KBTC. So that's all I wanted to show you. As you see, it is very pretty easy to install Vault, and I also mentioned that this is testnet on current stage, but when it leaves mainnet, you should lock your real Polkadot or real other collaterals which will be available. And I also wanted to mention that the ecosystem will be growth and more collaterals will be accessible via our time. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just write it in the video or write me in the Discord, and I will be glad to answer and help you with setting up and with other technical questions. So goodbye.